It doesn't make sense why the insurance rates with the direct companies are cheaper sometimes compared to the companies brokers like us carrying. It should be the opposite. Like we are the brokers, know the clients, live in the community, and know the family history, and ask tough questions and get all the relevant information. Then we underwrite the policy, which is good for the client because they get the proper coverage based on their information, and good for the company because the risk is fully underwritten, and broker have better relations with the client. Whereas if you call director insurance company, even I had one time insurance with RBC. When I got the insurance, they asked me all that information, but they never verified my vehicle registration, my driver license, whatever I said. Based on that, they give me the code and insurance. Whereas if you are with the broker or you are my client, and I will ask for ownership, make sure I check the registration is you who are getting the insurance, or there's no other name. What happens sometimes is that you call the insurance company that I bought the car, and they assume that car is under your name because they never get the actual copy from you. So they put the car under that insurance policy. And when claim comes, the the car was actually under your son's name or your brother's name or some family member, where there is no connection between the insurance policy and the registration of the car. At that time, claim is denied, and mostly policies also got cancelled. They blame the client that you didn't provide us the proper information. Car was not yours. When client didn't know that they cannot insure family members' car without adding their name, or has to be separate policy. So these are the reasons. But it's totally ridiculous. People who are with the brokers from long time, 10 years, 13 years with one brokerage, and have no claims, no tickets, and their rates are getting higher and higher, while people calling direct companies and new drivers, their rates are sometimes even half the price. So I'm not saying that do not call me for quote, and direct companies are cheaper, but that's what happening with the new drivers, and especially people who are trying to hide the information, and they are getting cheaper rate, plus companies getting wrong information, and they're getting more in claims later on they have to pay. But this is mind-boggling. Those CEO of those big companies should look in the mirror and look at what they are doing, paying much more claims for the policies written directly without confirmation of documents, compared to the brokers who are doing work diligently and asking all the information, have relations with the client, still penalized and paying more premiums for their policies. So I hope people who are at the higher end, management or CEOs of the companies, are listening and look into it. It should be the opposite. Insurance rates for the auto insurance or home insurance should be better with the brokerage than with the direct companies, because we are the one who do tough underwriting and give you the best business possible from the clients to the insurance company. That's my message. So if you have any question, you can call me at 416-831-0215, or email at jagtar@ableinsurance.ca. So please share this video to other people, or you have any information you need further, or need auto or home insurance quote, you are my clients or potential clients, or are looking for insurance quotes in the market. I have over 20 years experience. I can give you the best advice possible, even though I cannot beat the rate all the time, but at least I'll give you the advice. All I want you to just call me and compare the rates, and if you have any question, I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching.